Always healthy and daghang pang birthday celebration for you.
Right here behind you.
And we love you so much. Papa Marlene, I love you and long life and more celebration pa sa Humapon. Happy 70th birthday, Mother!
You've been wishing us to magkaanak and finally we have a Rocky. We're so happy that we're here to celebrate with you, on your 70th birthday. This is such a milestone. And I'm glad, of course, that all of us here, the homesick place, 6 of us, with all our significant others and the children are all here to celebrate with you on Lolo Carling's birthday. And of course, top of that is our family reunion. We love you both. Thank you so very much. We're glad that you are our mother. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom. Lolo Carling. And although it's our first time to join this reunion and birthday celebration, we're so happy and blessed na nakaabot din for the first time on our family and birthday celebration. With Malipaya, to all my family, everybody here, malipayan me sa pagkaulong sa reunion or birthday celebration nila, Mom and Lolo Carling. Binanggap mo kayo ng
Hi, Mom. I'm so grateful to be here with everybody to celebrate your birthday. I miss you so much. I wish you could come back to the U.S. I'm grateful to be here with everybody. Thank you all for coming. I appreciate everyone for coming. Sorry for them. At Tito Carlos, Lolo Carling, happy birthday also.
First and foremost, happy birthday sa inyong duha, Mom, Lolo Carling. You guys look good in your 70s. And I just want to say I'm really excited and really happy to be with a lot of family members today and previous day. Really appreciate everything that you guys have done for us. And I wish nothing but long life and happiness for the both of you. Happy birthday.
Mom, I love you so much.
Favorite.
Happy birthday. I'm very happy that we're all here to celebrate your special day. I'm so grateful for you and Dad for everything that you guys have done for all of us and for making your sacrifices to get us to more opportunity in the U.S. We love you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day and long life. Happy birthday, Lolo Carling. We love you so much. More birthdays to celebrate together.
Salamat po ako sa iyong tanan. Atin mo sa birthday sa ating pinalanggang wife o sa Carling. Sana tagaan sila o taas na pinabuhi.
Tapos ka na.
Tapos po. Salamat tayo. Happy birthday to all.
Hi Mom, my Lolo Carling, happy birthday. This message is for both of you, okay? Today is all about celebrating you, and I'm honored to stand here and express my gratitude and love. Your birthday is a celebration of your kindness, your generosity, and warmth you bring to our lives. I'm so lucky to have you as my mother-in-law. I'm grateful for the times you've shared, the laughter, and the memories we've created together, especially you babysit Rocky. I hope your special day is filled with laughter, love, and I hope you enjoy this day. Here's to many more years of happiness, good health, and creating more unforgettable moments. Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday, Lolo. And thank you for being such an incredible mother-in-law.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Sabay na, sabay.
Salamat sa to sa akong mga kaigsunan, labi na sa pamilya nila ni Bingbing, ni Dong Rini, o kanita-lang ng mga kaigsunan na nag-cooperar nga ning atong pagnagiyo sa karon. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong tanan.
Salamat kong dako, nagkasipon-tipon sa dire, tungkol sa aming birthday, suhat, hindi, na, yan, nagkasipon-tipon sa, may taga Mindanao, Manila, salamat sa inyong pagkanta po.